Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We come back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you go to fan timeline down in the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style, and the timeline it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it, a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in our Telegram channel, because in Telegram, you're going to be notified more quicker. The link of our Telegram channel is in the first comment. You done it? Welcome to the family. So, guys, as we said yesterday, I tell you, Monday is going to do against what the week is going to do, and that's what it's showing here. It gave us here a pin bar here in that level we showed you before, but now us here in the daily, we got here a price action. I showed it to you yesterday. I told you we got here a megaphone, very clear megaphone here. That one us, we're basing our trading on it now. Either it's going to break down here and the market is going to fall down, or it's going to go up and to break for us that last high here. That means the market is going to continue upward. Me, I give you all the scenarios till now, and I show you even that one here. Let me show it to you before we move in. I show you here that two levels as you see it. The 50 moving average, look at it, look at the market, what it's doing there. Actually, it came, it touched it here. It gave us here that pin bar here in the 50 moving average. Even if we zoom it, let's see it together. As you see it there, what it's doing. The market, it came here and it gave us here a level, a very stronger level here in the 50 moving average. Not that stronger, but it's showing here. There is a rejection happening here in the 50 moving average. That's why I told you in Friday to start buying here 20% from your capital and to leave if it fall down here to touch the 200 moving average. Also, we are going to buy from here down 50% from the capital left. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. So till now the market is showing here maybe it's going to reject from that level here, but me, I don't think so. Me, I'm still believing the market is going to fall down. Let me show you why. Me, I'm still believing the market is going to fall down because you remember that we used to have here a channel like that, a very clear channel like that. We touch the top of it here. Now the market maybe is going to fall down to touch the lower of it here. Then after that maybe it's going to go more higher. Or I told you maybe it's going to come down here to rest here in that level here, that one here. Then after that it's going to continue upward. What's happening here? Not normal, because Saturday and Sunday and today Monday the market is always doing against what it's going to do all the week. But me, I'm still believing there is more falling down, guys. So there is nothing new here, but also we give you the two scenarios. If it fall down here, breaking for us here, that megaphone here, also we are going to enter short. If it go up and breaking here, that means also we are going to enter long. And now you, if you buy in, you following our analysis, you just buy from the 50 moving average now, and you left some profit. If it move more up, you are in very good profit till now. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's going to see the coming news for today for pictures to get more clear to you. Here it is, the coming news. By the way, I got something else to show it to you here in the news. What I got for you guys, that the thing, you need to put a close eye on them, because that week it's coming the earning for the tech companies, Google and Microsoft, the food earning and general electricity thing. Those are the three things you need to put an eye on them as you see them. Here the tech earning, we got Microsoft and Alphabet or Google. Those ones for the food, we got McDonald's and Pepsi and even Coca-Cola. And for electricity, we got General Electricity. Those ones you need to put a close eye on them if you are a stock trader. And even in the Bitcoin, maybe they are going to affect the Bitcoin a little bit. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see the news who coming today. News which is coming today, as you see it. We got a busy day today. We got the building permit, the CP consumer confidence, plus the new home sells here down. So all those ones, they are going to have a small impact to the market, but not bigger because us we trading crypto, not stock here. And here is our friend, the table of us we follow every time. Look at it, what it's showing to us. Today, the day, what can we say? The Dow Jones and the SP 500, they closing green, but the Nasdaq, it closed red. So you need to make a close eye at that. But as we said it, today is Monday. Maybe we're going to see a big falling down. That way it happened like that. Plus here, the VIX is our friend. That one also we're looking at it every day if you are new here. That one, it's the measurement of scarcity. It's telling us the truth. Where is the Bitcoin or the market it will go? As you see it, also we are below 20. That means scarcity is still very low. People, they are not scared enough from nothing. And that good news here, that for the investors. And down here is the US dollar. When the US dollar is showing to us the market is falling down. But we're still in our place. Also, we are 101, like how we used to be yesterday and before yesterday. All the week we used to be 101. Same thing now. So that means the US dollar, it doesn't try to fall down below that 100. So I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now, let's go into the 4 hours to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right. By the way, yes, you. Did you smash the like button? I know you don't. Pause the video now, smash that like button, writing down a comment, support us, guys. You know that channel without you and you, it can't grow up. So please go ahead and help us. If you like our analysis, please support us by just smashing that like button down. You done it? Thank you very, very, very much, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, as we said before, we enter short because we used to have here that cup and handle here. We enter, it's bringing for us exactly the take profit here. And we used to have here that wage here, that clear wage here, like that also being followed. It's getting broke here. When we reach here, I told you guys, try to protect yourself, take 50% from your capital. And here, now it's showing the market as if it's going to give us here a double bottom. Should we enter long? If it give us here a double bottom and breaking the neckline here, yes, we can enter long if it's breaking here. But what I'm thinking? I don't think so. We are going to break up. I think that just a sideways market before we breaking down. Take profit for that wage of us. It needs to be down here at 24k. Some of you personally, I think the Bitcoin is going to continue falling. That just sideways market. Maybe tomorrow we're going to see the market going up, or maybe it's going to break for us that level where we are here. That one here, look at it. That one, I talked with you about it. I told you it's give us here like a wake up pattern, very clear wake up pattern. Here the fake out. Now it need to come down to do like that. That man is going to fall down more than that. Till now the market is showing to us we are sideways here. So till now we need to wait in for the market to give us here a price action, like to give us here a double bottom or something here. It's near to give us here a double bottom, but not yet. It hasn't broken up here. So we need to wait in, and all the people now is still waiting the earnings of the companies or tech companies. That way us we don't need to open any order now. Also we got a short order. If it's breaking for us here, yes, we need to close the short and we will open a long. But till now there is nothing new here in the 4 hours, guys. Everything is too clear. Now it's going to see our indicator, what it's saying here in the 4 hours. So it's going there. Our indicator, as you see it, we touch here the oversold area. That the time when I told you guys, try to protect yourself here down exactly when we touch there. Now here also we still in the place where is the bears, the controlling. There is no bulls yet in the market. Plus here, you remember what I told you? I told you we got here a trend line like that. And look at it now, the trend line, you are in it now. Now, either from here is going to fall down and to give us here a divergence or something, like how it gave it to us up here. You remember it here in that place. But should you enter long now? No, my friend, there is no entry long. You need to wait in more. Where is the market? It will go. Maybe it's going to come till here, then after that to fall down. Till now, we're still in a downtrend. There is no buying yet. Don't follow no one he tell you to buy. There is no buying yet. I'm talking here just about swing trading, not long term. Long term, yes, you need to start DCA now. But for swing traders, swing trading, you're holding a position for 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, till 1 month. There is no buying yet. You need to wait till the right time. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, also we enter short because we used to be here at the overbought area. Now we are here down at the oversold area. Should we enter long? No. Yes, also we are in a very, very, very stronger supply and demand zone. Look at it. But should we enter long? No, we don't got any price action here telling us we need to enter long. There is no price action here. Unless if the market here, give us here a clear price action, double bottom, head and shoulder, something like that, a triangle. Yeah, now we don't got nothing here. Yes, in lower time frames we got, but here in 4 hours we don't got nothing. So for swing trading there is no entry. We need a clear price action, guys. We need a very clear price action, guys. You remember people that being with us, we used to have here that channel is getting broke here. We enter long tail here. Here we used to have the cup and handle. We enter short tail down here. Now did you see any price action here? No, we don't got any price action, so there is no entry long. You need to wait until the right time. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what the Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, look what the Bitcoin is giving us here. It gave us here a double bottom here. You see it or no? The neckline is it here. That one here. It's break it? No, it doesn't. If it's break it, it's going to go till here. Till that last high, which is here. Now we got another price action here. Look with me here. We came like that and we doing like that. And down here, we doing like that. You see it or no? We got here a triangle, very clear triangle. That one, how to trade it? If that one came and breaking above here, that means us, we are going to go more higher. And stop loss, use it down here. If it's breaking down here, same thing, is going to fall down more. Let's see our indicator, what it's saying. Our indicator, look at it, what it's telling us. You see it or no? What you got here? If you came down here and you do it like that, and here in the chart, you do it like that. What you got? A very clear divergence, guys. Should you enter long? I just show you the price action. If it doesn't get blocked, there is no entry long. Remember that. Price action we got is that one. Look at it. Like that. And down here, like that. A triangle. Very clear triangle. You wait in the triangle to get blocked here. You enter long, or it's breakdown, you enter short. If it doesn't, there is no entry long, no entry short. Yes, our indicator is it here at the oversold area. We got a divergence, but you need to wait until the right time, guys. Everything is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video. And please, guys, don't forget to support us by just smashing that like button, writing down a comment. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.